Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be talking to you guys about the Slasherini Bananini seed in Plants vs. Brainrots. It is a new seed, I think. You can get it from the premium season pass. I did get it for the purpose of this video, so please like and subscribe to this channel. I'm just kidding. But please do. It would mean a lot. Anyways, I'm going to take out my King Lemon seed for now, and I am going to plant that seed. It takes 20 minutes. Okay, let me use a water bucket. I only have 4, so I think I do have to be back for the final result and the final DPS. I'm also going to show you guys if it's worth it or not. So hold on, let me just... Okay, and I will be right back in 7 minutes-ish. So the damage per second on it is actually not that much because I think it's like the least rare seed you can get from the crate as well. You can get this from the crate as well, by the way, from the season 1 crate. But yeah, this is the damage per second on level 1. It's at 2.9, so I don't think it's that worth it, but I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below if you think it's worth it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.